Soil investigation is a crucial step in any construction project, and Noida Sector 62 is no exception. This bustling area of Noida is witnessing rapid development, with numerous commercial and residential projects taking shape. However, before any construction can begin, it is essential to conduct a thorough soil investigation to assess the ground conditions and determine the suitability of the site for construction purposes. The soil investigation process involves various tests and analyses to evaluate the physical and chemical properties of the soil. These tests provide valuable information about the soil's bearing capacity, compaction characteristics, permeability, and potential for settlement. The results obtained from the soil investigation help in designing the foundation of the structure, ensuring its stability and durability. In the case of Noida Sector 62, where there is a significant amount of construction activity, conducting a soil investigation becomes even more critical. The area's soil composition may vary from site to site, and without proper investigation, there is a risk of encountering unexpected challenges during construction. By conducting a comprehensive soil investigation, builders and developers can make informed decisions regarding foundation design and construction techniques, thereby minimizing potential risks and ensuring the long-term stability of the structures. SCON design, short for soil concept design, is a specialized approach that combines soil investigation data with engineering principles. This design methodology takes into account the specific soil properties and site conditions to develop an optimized foundation design. By considering factors such as soil type, moisture content, and load-bearing capacity, SCON design ensures that the foundation can adequately support the structure while minimizing settlement and other potential issues. Soil testing is an important part of any building project, and Noida Sector 62 is no different. This thriving Noida neighborhood is undergoing significant growth, with various business and residential projects taking shape. However, before any building can begin, a complete soil assessment must be conducted to examine the ground conditions and determine the viability of the site for construction purposes. Various tests and analyses are used during the soil investigation process to determine the physical and chemical qualities of the soil. These tests reveal important information regarding the soil's bearing capacity, compaction characteristics, permeability, and settlement potential. The soil study results aid in the design of the structure's foundation, assuring its stability and endurance. In the case of Noida Sector 62, where there is a lot of construction going on, conducting a soil examination becomes even more important. The soil composition of the area may differ from site to site, and without thorough analysis, there is a danger of unexpected obstacles during construction. Builders and developers can make educated judgments about foundation design and construction processes by undertaking a full soil analysis, reducing potential hazards and ensuring the long-term stability of the structures. Soil concept design, SCON, is a specialized technique that blends soil investigation data with engineering principles. To build an optimum foundation design, this design process takes into account the individual soil qualities and site conditions.